Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to use the Dettol laundry sanitizer on our front load washing machine. So let's check it out. We are using Samsung front load washing machine for doing this, but these steps should be more or less the same for all the similar modern machines. Generally, washing clothes with warm or hot water can help reduce bacteria, but if you want additional protection, you can use a laundry sanitizer like this Dettol one. It will keep the clothes more hygienic and fresh. We got the lavender variant. They also have the standard one. I'll share both the product links in the description. We can use this laundry sanitizer for clothes like towel, underwear, socks, sportswear or children's clothes. First we have to turn on the washing machine and put our required clothes. Then we can select our required wash cycle. We will go with cotton itself. Then we have to open the detergent drawer. Most traditional front load washing machines have 3 compartments in the detergent drawer: main wash, fabric softener and pre-wash. If your washing machine has an auto dispense system, the drawer may be different. So kindly check your washing machine's user manual before adding the sanitizer. The main wash compartment is where we add our primary detergent, let it be powder or liquid, to wash our clothes. This will be usually indicated by 2 lines referring to 2. The fabric softener compartment is where we add additional liquids such as fabric softener or laundry sanitizer, which the machine automatically releases during the final rinse cycle. This will be usually in blue color or marked by a flower-like symbol. So this is where we will use our Dettol laundry sanitizer. And the pre-wash compartment is where we add the secondary detergent, which the machine uses during the pre-wash cycle when this option is enabled. This will be indicated by a single line referring to number 1. Generally, for a regular wash, we can add 2 caps of this laundry sanitizer. We have to put this in the fabric softener compartment. There will be this max line. Make sure the liquid is below that. We should not add any other fabric softener here, adding the second cap. Now we can add our main detergent separately according to the wash load we have. We are using a liquid detergent for this. We can close this and we can start the cycle. That's all. If you specifically want to use the product for its virus killing claim, there is also a separate soaking method. Simply follow the dilution ratio and the soaking time mentioned on the bottle instead of adding the sanitizer directly to the washing machine. These are the steps to use the Dettol laundry sanitizer on our front load washing machine. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.